Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing OPTI, ENZC, INTK, GNPX, CVSI, DWAC, CFVI, PHUN, AMC, GME, and Bitcoin and Ethereum. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. You can also hit the red download ebook. This is the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. The ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all a free service from insiderfinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. Overall, lackluster week, nothing to really get too excited about. Friday's action on the OTC market saw 2,453 advancers to 1,988 decliners on $2.3 billion in trading volume. Overall, this is still a trader's market, not an investor's market. For instance, we did a alert. It was our only alert this week was a $19 million market cap Nasdaq penny stock for our subscribers. Popped 32%, ran right into the 99-cent resistance level. It couldn't get above $1, so it pulled back and sold off. We will be coming with this one again for our subscribers. This will be another opportunity in this particular stock. That's why I'm not going to talk about it in the video again. If you are interested in these types of plays, remember to go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. As I said, it is still a trader's market, not an investor's market. So you want to be taking profits where you can. You know, as I said, the Nasdaq play had 32% pop. That was a nice move for subscribers. That's where you have to, look at charts and know to take money off the table. First stock we're talking about today is OPTI, up 116% this week on no news. Great tweet from Trading 1313. Did PHUN die? That would be the only explanation for this move, in my opinion. OPTI, waiting for PHUN to leave, new CEO to come in. This has just been a brutal and horrible investment for subscribers last year. I don't know if it's out of the woods. PHUN needs to go. Let's see what happens next week, but I think it's still too early to call a bottom in OPTI. One which I have called a bottom on and really like this year. I think this is going to be a big runner in 2022 is ENZC. has many catalysts upcoming, many milestones that are going to get checked off one by one, and I think this is one that you need to be in, and that can revisit the $1 highs. Well, it didn't get above $1, just ran right into that $1 resistance, but we think this one is a definite 10-bagger category for 2022. So start paying attention to ENZC. Dr. Chandra, he is a must follow on Twitter. He's been keeping everyone updated. January 4th, he said, Enzolytics has engaged the National Marketing Agency as a distributor to advance the Enzolytics IPF immune through multiple distribution channels throughout the U.S. and access to nutritional supplement market. So again, they have a lot going on. There's going to be a lot of PRs coming down the pike. This is one you definitely either want to be in or at least have on your radar screen. Next up is INTK. This one up 82% this week, issuing a stock dividend. This has just a $76 million market cap, 2/3 held by insiders. So definitely a big breakout this week. This is one been putting out some news recently. So this is one you want to be paying attention to. INTK. Look for any dip as an opportunity to get in. Again, understand, folks, bull and bear markets, trading markets, investing markets. When you have a bull market, you can basically get in at any price because it just keeps going up. We are not seeing that momentum right now. This is a trader's market where you have to be taking profits still. GNPX, case in point, had big news. They're getting FDA fast track designation. They released that on January 3rd. Before the open, as you can see, the stock opened at $1.51, ran right to 362, closed at 350, and then we saw the subsequent pullback to $2, which held. Now we have 5% of the float short. 2 million shares are short. This one, we see this one can looks to be loading up and for another bounce opportunity. So GNPX. This is a Nasdaq play that you want to be paying attention to. And right now, folks, again, please don't put yourself in a corner that you only trade OTC or you only trade Nasdaq pennies. Go where the money is. Take advantage of all opportunities. That's what we are doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. Yes, we specialize in OTC. That's where we've made most of the money for our subscribers, big winners on the OTC, but there are opportunities in all markets. You know, as for those of you that are familiar with my channel, I do not fall in love with any one particular stock. I believe in the making money business. So guys, go where you can make money. That's all that matters. At the end of the day, it comes down to P&L. Nothing else matters. Next up is CVSI, getting a nice bounce here off the 10-cent level held. This is a CBD play. They announced a big deal on the 5th with a new GNC distribution agreement. So that's creating the enthusiasm in the stock. We will see what happens. Right now, it looks like the Democrats, they just can't get their act together. We really need to see some legislation coming through Congress in relation to cannabis, more CBD clarity, and then this sector can get hot. Overall, I think what we're seeing in the markets, if you look at, I mentioned I wanted to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're just seeing a reversal of last year. What worked last year is not working this week. The Fed is set to start raising interest rates in March. They spooked the markets with the Fed minutes this week that they are going to also start paring down the balance sheet. This shocked a lot of people, and we saw Bitcoin sell off from 48,000 down to 41,000. It's really hard to get bullish here. What happens when they actually start raising rates in March, expecting another sell-off in crypto? You know, guys, what we've seen over the last few years is just unbelievable wealth creation. You know, crypto, stocks, you know, overall, you know, if you owned any assets, the value of, you know, cars has gone up. If you have any Rolexes, Pateks, APs, the prices have just gone through the roof because people just don't want to hold cash. So they've been taking cash out of their bank accounts and just throwing it into basically any asset. Once interest rates start rising, you know, people start getting some, earning some money on that cash. You know, the cost to borrow money is going to go up. So people are going to pull back the reins. And I think we're going to start seeing some, you know, bubbles popping. The good news about you know, small caps and OTCs is they are, you know, they're more micro trades, and it's based on catalysts. So if we start getting news drops, PRs, a lot of these small caps start executing, they're going to run. And you know, case in point, I wanted to talk about DWAC, CFVI, and PHUN. These are all linked to, you know, Trump. DWAC is the SPAC that he's merging his Trump Media and Technology Group. I'm not going to get into politics, whether you like the guy or not. I don't care. I'm not a political person. But I'm in the make money business, and you know, this is going to be the ultimate meme stock. And we've already seen what happened with this stock running from $10 to $175. It's pulled back here to 53. A lot of people were loading up on Thursday because he announced on January 6th that he's going to be launching the app in February. It's sort of like trolling. You know, he's the ultimate troll, but there was no follow through. And, you know, the reason I wanted to talk about AMC and GME is not that I'm saying that these are buys here or anything. I don't know what these stocks are going to do here by any means. But my point is that if you look at the charts of AMC, you had the original spike back in January when it went from, you know, $2 to $20. Pulled back, consolidated, then started spiking again, got to 15, and then you got these spikes again. I see the same thing happening in DWAC, CFVI, and PHUN. So I don't know when these spikes are going to happen, but you know, these are the ultimate meme stocks, and they are going to run again. These I will be watching, and we will be alerting our subscribers when the action is going to happen. Look, you know, I've been doing this a long time. I mean, I don't even know how many tens of thousands of screen time in front of watching stocks trade. I know a bull market when I see one. I know a bear market when I see one. You just you develop the feel for it. We're in a wait and see market right now. It's only the first week of 2022. A lot of people are just trying to get their bearings. A lot of people are still on holiday, just trying to, you know, make sense of things and figure out where they want to allocate money. Myself, I have a big cash position, and I'm really going to be very selective and just, you know, really watching and waiting for the right opportunities. So this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm advising. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is, what I'm going to talk about. And, these are the types of alerts that we're going to be sending out to our subscribers of when to put some, cash to work. And we're going to be very selective. And I think you still have to be very selective. I know a lot of others are talking about the 10x opportunities on the OTC, and we see it. We agree. I just wouldn't be loading the boat right now. And you'll know when that opportunity, when these markets get hot, that's when you want to load the boat. But right now, again, you have to be very selective. And that's what we'll be doing here at insiderfinancial.com. So make sure you are a subscriber. Go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. We don't send out a lot of alerts. It's only our best ideas, folks. So we're not going to inundate you with ideas, with alerts, with notifications. Only our best ideas once or twice a week. It depends on market conditions. If markets are hot, we'll be sending out one every day. So again, right now it's 1-2 times a week. That's what we're looking. We run a lot of screens. We're looking for low floats. These are the types of plays that you can make a lot of money on. And we had a great December for our subscribers. One of our low floats was up over 8,000%. OWUV was a huge winner from November to the end of the year. Some subscribers made 3,600%. It's pulled back here. Let's see if this holds. But there's a lot of opportunities right now. Do we have one play that we really like? I think right now the one play that I really like is ENZC, and I think that judging by this week's price action, I think we're going to see more follow through next week. So definitely have ENZC on your radar screen for next week. With that out of the way, I want to thank everyone for watching. I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and I'll be coming live to you next week with a new video. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.